Alright, hey guys, what's up? Now we're on to our day 2 of our 20-day challenge for grade 1 in Japan. First up, we have King, which represents O-sama. We also have Jo as queen, Ojo as princess, and Oji as prince. Second, we have the kanji for sound, which is also for music or ongaku, and pronunciation, which is hatsuon. Third one is the kanji for down, which can also mean please or kudasai, and not exceeding, which means, or in kanji, ika, or in Japanese, ika. And then the fourth one we have today is fire, which is for fireworks, hanabi, and the day of the week, Tuesday. Alright, so I pulled up some examples for better usage. So we have O-sama wa ongaku to hanabi ga suki desu. Let me read that one more time. O-sama wa ongaku to hanabi ga suki desu. For kudasai, we have one we could use at the restaurant, mizu o kudasai. Alright, so there you have it. That's our day 2 for grade 1 kanji in Japan. Thank you for watching.